What's up, YouTube? First video, gonna do an unboxing on this LT2 manifold that I got from GPI. It was the whole package, it was the whole shebang. This is the manifold, throttle body, and I got these from Rock Auto. These are the gaskets that you're gonna need for the runners and the throttle body itself. You don't need them, but my car has about 14,000 miles. You don't need them, but might as well when you're there already. Just just put them in. All right, let's get started. I had already kind of opened them, but then I realized I wanted to do a video, just because I wanted to start doing videos and whatnot. So this is what you're gonna get, because I haven't really seen too many videos on YouTube specifically showing an unboxing of what you're gonna get with GPI. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this, which is gonna be your let me see if it looks good there. Yeah, this is gonna be your throttle body. This is the 95 millimeter. This comes off the C7 ZR1. This is how you're gonna get it. This is an OEM part. Camaros come with 87 millimeter, but with the whole package, the whole shebang, it was about, I think it was like 850 or something like that. I'll check, but so yeah, this is gonna be the throttle body. Looks real nice, new. Okay, now we're gonna go with these gaskets. I got them from Rock Auto. I'm not sure if you could get them from the GPI website. Like I said, they're what's it called? You don't need to replace them, especially if your car has low miles. But I mean, for what you get for these are $2 a piece on Rock Auto. Why not just do it, right? This is the throttle body gasket, and then we got 8 of these little ones. Part numbers right here, if anyone wants. I'm not sure if you could tell on the camera. Part number right there, and part number right here for the throttle body. Okay, self-explanatory. Okay, now let's get on to the main dish. Like I said, I was up to this point about right here when I was like, nope, you know what, let me just close it on down and let me do a video. So like I said, we're gonna open it up. That's how you get it from GPI. This is gonna be the harness for your map sensor. You need it because on your manifold, I'll show you right now. Adapters, sensors, extensions. The reason why you need this is because your map sensor is located on your stock LT1. It's gonna be around this side. So, and the connector, that comes from the actual car itself is like right here. So there's no way it could reach over here unless you have an extension. So we got that. We got the adapter. This is the 87. It's part number right there. This is gonna be the 87 to 95. It goes down in size because this is a stock opening. I did not port it to a 95 because once you port it to a 95, they basically this ring right here, that's basically for this right here, goes right there. You won't have it because the opening right here, they need to shave it down to make it an actual 95 opening. So you won't have it. Then you need to use RTV and all these other stuffs, and it might not sit right, and you'll have intake leaks and vacuum leaks. And I've just seen a lot of things on the forum, so I just didn't decide to go with that. But I mean, GPI went ahead and cleaned up the inlet runners. I mean the inlet snout, the runners. Maybe you could see right there. Clean them up pretty good. They did the shaving on the bottom for the high pressure fuel pump. Reason they do that is because, like I said, this one comes off the C8 Corvette. C8 Corvettes, they have the rear engine. Rear engine is facing, so the high pressure fuel pump sits in the front. That's why it has the, you know, from factory, it has it right here. But on the Camaros, they're on the back, since these still front engine cars. So the high pressure fuel pump is going to be in the back. So that's why you need to shave this down. Shave that down, and your brake booster. The brake booster, they do everything just so you can just go ahead and stick on your brake booster. But I mean, that's about it, more or less. Okay, this is gonna be a more or less on how it'll look, just so y'all get an idea what I'm talking about. Okay, like I said, throttle body gasket. Car should have one, but I mean, why not just do it, right? Go ahead, gonna put it on there. Okay, once that's on there, you're gonna come get your little case, plastic case. It comes with the GPI package. You're gonna go ahead, I didn't see a lot of videos doing this. This is really self-explanatory, but just any of y'all that are curious out there, basically the easiest way to know how to put it, K-Tech on the top. This is gonna go, since this already got to what's called a gasket, you're gonna, and this side doesn't, so you're just gonna match it up. No gasket. This side has a gasket, and this side is gonna go with the throttle body, which does not have a gasket. So you're just gonna make no gasket. Okay, so let's do that right now. You're gonna get the small bolts. Small bolts are gonna be for the adapter to manifold. I'm not gonna fully seat them. It's just a more or less so y'all can see what it looks like, the whole shebang. Okay. Okay, so of course there's gonna be a space right there, but I need to torque them, and it says torque specs here. Torque all bolts to 89 inch-pounds. Not gonna do that now, like I said. Gonna get the next bolts, gonna get the throttle body. Throttle body is gonna go like this. Connectors on the bottom. So you're gonna connect it, get a bolt straight through here. It's gonna have another one on other bolts, holes going through there. So we're just gonna match it up. Just a little more or less. Okay. Next one. Okay, got it seated down. Last two bolts. So there we go. This is more or less on how it should look once it's all said and done. This should give about I was reading 10 to, I've seen gains from 10 to 20 horsepower, couple foot-pounds of torque as well. I'm not going for all out, you know, performance. You know, if not, I would have gotten with the Holly or something. But just more of a, you know, just a little more peppy of a ride, especially with the bigger 95 millimeter throttle body. And yeah, like I said, it's budget friendly. It's close to MSD power. MSD is always gonna still take it, especially once you go cam, bigger cam, especially cams that love higher RPMs. This will die off maybe around, I think I was reading like 68, 69, 7. That's where the MSD starts shining. LT2 kind of dies off. But comparing this to the LT1, I mean, it's a substantial difference. But I'll be doing another video of it going on the car. This was just a basic, you know, I just want to show you what you get with the whole package from GPI, excluding this Rock Auto, like I said. But I mean,